So I went out and scanned my Chevy truck with the FARO arm and used the XS scanner on it and ended up with quite a few points, over 125 million, which Polyworks handled pretty well. I only moved the arm one time during the whole scan and yeah, got most of the side of the truck here, and resolution was pretty good. You could read the little Duramax. This is a little baby diesel truck. Really grabbed hold of the tires. You can actually see a little deformation in my tire. These are pretty old. And actually, let's see if we need some new ones here. We're going to check that out with Polyworks. It has some offset calipers. It's a little faster than digging out my rusty pair of calipers somewhere. And let's go ahead. Right there should be good. Oh, there we go. Oh, yep. As suspected, I need some new tires. I kind of already knew that. It'd be better with the CAD model, but I went ahead and set up a little flush and gap gauge on the rear passenger door here, and you can check that out. And ouch, we have this little dent on the fender here, but since I have all of the geometric data, maybe I'll print something on a 3D printer that fits right in there instead of using Bondo. I showed some cool gauges that grab curvature in the last clip, but really I'm just going to need the geometric data if I want to go to a 3D printer, and we already have that as a mesh. So we're going to select the area that we're interested in and export that to go to another program that's more suited for mesh editing, maybe like Mesh Mixer or Fusion. Finishing that out might be the topic of my next video.